Hi, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video on how to change a coolant expansion tank on any GM vehicle. Well, not any, but most of GM vehicles produced before 2010. So, pretty simple process. So you're going to remove the return line here. Once that one's off, go ahead and pull that. Put that to the side. And then down here on the bottom, it's going to be your feed line. Go ahead and pull the clamp off that one. And pull that clamp back. Alright. That's off there. Let's set that tool aside. Now underneath there's a sensor. You're going to go ahead and want to unplug that. Pull that off. And there's a nut over here. You're going to want to pull that nut off as well. And go ahead and lift up. Alright, so there's your feed line there. You're going to want to pull that one off, right on the bottom. Alright, that's off. Take your cap, which this one's brand new. Take that off. Set that aside. Take your new one. Take your feed line. Click it right onto there. And then your sensor on the bottom is going to plug right into the bottom of your coolant tank. Alright. Set that over. You're going to take your return line, hook it back onto there. Now for this, you can use needle nose pliers, but I prefer to use this tool. And put that back, right over there. And for the bottom, reverse your process. Again, you can use needle nose pliers here. Right down to the bottom clamp. Rip it, and make sure you get it all the way over that nipple on the bottom. Alright, and release. Alright, that's it. And you're going to take your body pin that holds most of these tanks down. I'm going to push it right through there. You're going to tighten that nut up. And that's it. You're done.